By reviewing brands, you can easily earn money through the Review-Vip.Top website. Not only that, but when you sign up, you instantly get a $25 sign-up bonus. Moreover, this Review-Vip website has over 7,000 reviews on Trustpilot, with a 4.5-star rating. At first glance, this might make you feel that the website is highly legit. But don't jump to conclusions without watching this video fully. Let's find out if this website is legit or a scam. First, I'll visit the website. Now I'll sign up using my Gmail ID and password. As soon as I log in, I receive the $25 sign-up bonus, as they promised. Next, let's see how to earn money on this website and withdraw it to your account. Click on the quick earnings icon below. Here you'll find two sections, apps and surveys. If you complete the tasks listed in the apps section and the survey section, you'll earn the amount mentioned by them. This is the primary way to earn money on the Review-Vip website. At first glance, everything seems good and legitimate, but wait until you see their minimum withdrawal limit. If you click the cash out icon on the right-hand side, it'll open the page where you can withdraw your money. Here, you'll see that the minimum withdrawal limit is set at $200. This alone is a red flag, as no genuine website would set such a high minimum withdrawal limit. Additionally, I signed up on this website using my Gmail ID, but to this day, I haven't received any confirmation email or communication from them. If this were a legitimate website, I would have received at least one email. You might then wonder, how does this website have so many positive ratings on Trustpilot? The truth is, those Trustpilot ratings are fake. Many people trust these ratings and end up getting scammed by the Review-Vip website. We often rely heavily on Trustpilot to determine whether a website is legitimate. However, even Trustpilot can sometimes be misleading, which is quite unfortunate. So, you might now ask, how do we identify if a website is truly legit? There's a simple way to find out. If a website has a verified company label under its Trustpilot ratings, it is highly likely to be a legit website. However, even websites without the verified company label can sometimes be legit, but in most cases, those with the label are trustworthy. So keep this in mind. And remember, never blindly trust any website. Always do your own research to verify if it's legit before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you.